Oxford sofa sleeper. It's going to come with, this is going to be strapped around here. So you're going to want to start by using your blade. And Taylor and I like to do it vertical here. You're going to take by, this is going to be around this bracket here, so you're going to snip that on both ends, top and bottom. And this one's already cut because it's already came back. And we like to take out this insert vertical here. It seems to be easier. So you're going to have one guy with the drill and one guy kind of manually.
Easiest way is to kind of lift and pull it out, and you'll see it'll go along the tracks.
Yep, and then he hangs onto that. And there's going to be bolt on the top and bottom. It's right here. It's got a big rubber washer on it. So you're just going to want to take that out.
And that's what stops
And
the
that's
whole
kind of what it
mechanism
looks
from coming out.
Yep, so that's what there, and then there's one down here. So there you go. And I always put them in my pocket during the delivery so you know where they are. So when you get back in the home, you got to put them back in. And then it's a two-person job. Install the track. All right. Then the insert is out, and then you can bring it into the house
In two pieces.
in two pieces.
All right, so now we'd have it in the home, set up like this, with the insert laying out, and then the sofa on its feet. What we're going to do then is that burlap strap, you can kind of trim it up. If you can see here, we have a little extra slack. You can go ahead and kind of trim that so it's not quite so obvious. And then me and Jesse are going to take these wheels, we're going to set them in that track. Okay, it's in the track, and then it'll wheel in like it would if it was fully assembled.
And we just remember I still have those two screws in my pocket. So to put those back in, we'll tip it to its back here.
Go right to its back.
Alright, and then one guy gets the drill, and the other one is going to lift up.
And then we're going to re-put the stoppers back in to the sofa.
And there they are right there.
Now it's fully assembled.
The stoppers are back in, and we set it back down, and then pull out.
It has some straps there, the handles.
Demonstrate for the customers. It has those stoppers in. No, we can't pull it out any farther like we did the. Right, this one. There it is. Demonstrate for the customer in full working order. That's how you take out the insert on the Oxford sleeper sofa.